Google Business Profile has become one of the most important tools for attracting customers. And in 2025, photos and videos play a huge role in making your listing stand out. Visuals are often the first thing people notice when they search for your business on Google, and the quality of those visuals can influence whether someone chooses you or your competitor. In this video, we'll talk about the best photo and video tips to help your Google Business Profile look professional, trustworthy, and engaging. The first tip is to upload high-quality, well-lit photos. Blurry or dark images can make your business look unprofessional, so make sure you're using a good camera or smartphone with natural lighting. If you own a physical shop, take photos during the day when sunlight is bright and even. For indoor shots, avoid harsh shadows and clutter. Clear visuals help customers understand what to expect when they visit your business. Another important tip is to showcase different angles and perspectives of your space or products. Don't rely on just one or two images. Upload exterior shots so customers can easily recognize your location, interior photos to show your atmosphere, and close-up photos of products or services you offer. The more complete your visual story is, the more confident potential customers will feel about choosing your business. Next, let's talk about consistency. Your branding should be visible through your photos and videos. Use consistent colors, themes, or styles that match your brand identity. Whether you're posting product pictures, service snapshots, or team photos, aim for a cohesive appearance. This makes your business look more trustworthy and polished. Videos are also powerful for your Google Business Profile. Short clips showing how your business works behind the scenes, how a product is made, or what a service looks like in action can significantly boost engagement. Keep your videos short, clear, and steady. People love seeing real, authentic moments, and videos help build trust quickly. You should also upload team photos and owner photos. Customers feel more comfortable engaging with a business when they can see the people behind it. Adding photos of your staff, your workspace, or yourself as the owner adds a personal touch that helps customers connect emotionally with your brand. Another tip is to update your photos regularly. Fresh content signals to Google that your business is active, which can help improve visibility and search results. It also reassures customers that the information on your profile is up to date. If you've recently renovated your space, updated your menu, launched a new product, or improved your services, upload new photos and videos so customers see the latest version of your business. Finally, make sure to follow Google's content guidelines. Avoid using stock photos, overly edited images, or promotional banners with too much text. Google prefers authentic visuals that reflect the real experience a customer will get. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Keep updating your photos and videos on your Google Business Profile to attract more customers and build strong trust in your brand.